Good afternoon, students. Today, economics. Last class we have studied secondary functions. Some secondary function is agency functions. Agency means customers. So, collecting check, collecting income, paying expense. Second one, general utility, providing locker facilities, issuing travel check, and foreign exchange, transferring fund. Next one, letter on credit, some recommendation letter to creditors issuing in bank, underwriting securities, and electronic bank. E-banking is what? E-banking is electronic banking. Other function is money supply, credit creation, and collecting of statistics. RBI in poverty, unemployment, some yeah, exactly correct data is released in every 5-year plan released in RBI. Today one new topic is central bank. Central bank or RBI bank is same only. A central bank, reserve bank or monetary authority. Monetary authorities means money transaction. Is an institution that manages a state's currency, money supply, and interest rate. Central bank also usually oversee the commercial banking system of the respective countries. Central banks manage states currency, money supply, interest rate. This controlled by central bank. Functions of central bank or Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India is RBI. RBI means what? Reserve Bank of India. The central banking institutions which control the monetary policy of the India. Rupees it is commenced its operation on 1st April 1935. Listen students, everybody note it down. RBI in 1st April. The opening year and closing opening day and closing day which year, which month? April 1 is opening month, March 31st is a closing day. That RBI is a opening day on which day? April 1 in year 1935. According to the Reserve Bank of India Act 8 1934, the original share capital was divided into shares rupees 100 each fully paid, which are initially owned and entirely by private shareholders. Following in India's independence on 15th August 1947, the RBI nationalized on 1st January 1949. Started in 1935 but nationalized on 1st January 1949. The functions are RBI bank is so many functions. The main function, first one is monetary authority. It is controls the supply of monetary in the economy to stabilize exchanging rate. Stabilize means constant level exchanging rate, maintaining the healthy balance of payment, attaining a financial stability and control inflation and strengthen banking system controlled by inflation. The monetary authority stabilization of exchanging rate. Exchanging rate means foreign currency or foreign import and export. Maintaining healthy balance, attain the financial stability. Indian financial stability, control inflation. Control inflation. Which one is controlled by RBI? Inflation means increasing the price rate and decreasing the money level. Presently, nowadays, inflation is increasing rate or decreasing rate. Nowadays, inflation rate is increase only. Nowadays, inflation rate is above 12 percentage in India. Inflation rate is India is money value is very less only. Price rate is high. You 100 rupees means you go one retailer shop means one or two goods only you per half kg or per kg 1 kg only you purchased. That is price level is high. Money value is very less only. The controlled by in RBI. Second one, the issue of currency. The currency rights only in RBI only. Currency issue rights only in RBI. The objective is to maintaining the currency and credit. The system of currency, it is also sole authority to issue currency. It also takes action to control circumstance of fake currency. Fake currency. The RBI is a issued currency system maintaining credit system in controlled by RBI. The sole authority to issue a currency sold to action and control a circumstance. Fake currency. Fake currency means some duplicate money. Controlled. Who is controlled by? RBI. Controlled by RBI. Fake currencies, that is duplicate money. And RBI is another one main function is controlled by credit function. Controlled by creditors. Next one, the issuer of currency. The objectives of is maintaining the currency and credit system of the country. It is sole authority to issue a currency. It also take action to control the circumstance of fake currencies. Next one, the issuing banking license. One, private bank or government bank or undertaking any bank first permission in RBI. Permission in RBI. As per Section 22, Banking Regulation Act, the every bank has to obtaining banking license from RBI. Banking license from RBI to conduct a banking business in India. Conduct banking business in India. Next one, the issue of banking license is compulsory and each and every bank's licensing is from RBI. Next one, the Reserve Bank of India, history and administration and functions. That is this only is a knowledge. Do you know some box in other subject? Do you know? Is that part is only knowledge. This subject, this lesson is main knowledge. This page, this history or administration functions, compulsory one or two one words in board exam. History. Formed on April 1, 1935 in accordance with the RBI Act 1934, nationalized on January 1, 1949, the fully owned by government. The headquarters moved from the Calcutta to Bombay in 1937. Osborne Smith was first governor of RBI. Osborne Smith is first governor of RBI. Next one, administration. It is the central bank regulator for all in India. The administration. It is the central bank regulator for all banks in India, also called lender of last resort. Resort. Next one, governors and four deputy governors, along with a central board of director appointed by government. Functions is issue of currency, banker to government. Next, regulator of Indian banking system. Regulator of Indian banking system. Custodian. Custodian means what? Custodian means some safety place. That place is custodian. And control of creditor. Control of credit. Okay. Next is fourth point, bank to the government. Bank to the government. It acts as a banker both to central and state government. It is provides a short-term credit. It manages all new issues of government loans, surviving the government debts outstanding and neutering the market of government securities. It is advise the government on banking of financial objective. Banker to the government. Banker to the government means the central and state government provides a short-term credit and manage a new issues of government loans and surveying a government debt. Next one, but the RBI is some advising some bank advising the securities. It advises the government on banking and financial institutions on subject. Next one, banker bank. RBI is the bank, all bank in India, as it is provided loan to banks. Provided to loan to bank. The RBI is member of the bank. Each and every bank some want loan means or debt means issue the provide the loan. Provide the loan. Each and every banks to some few percentage of deposit in each and every private or government or undertaking, each and every bank percentage of amount is deposit in RBI. Next one, lender of last report. The bankers can borrow from the RBI by keeping a eligible security as collateral at the time of the need or crisis when there is no other sources. Listen students, the bank can borrow from RBI by keeping eligible securities. Eligible securities. Eligible security means that grants highest amount of loan. Provide highest amount of loan. Next one, act as a clearing house. For settlement of banking transaction, RBI manage the 14 clearing houses. It is facilitates the exchanging of instrument and processing of payment instructions. The clearing house means the settlement of banking transaction of RBI managing clearing. Some settlement means credit functions or some banking in mobile banking or electronic banking. Some so many the electronic banking, so many different methods of electronic payment, school fees, entrance fees, so many different categories. Clearing. The custodian of foreign exchange reserve. Custodian means some collector some place, one particular place is safety place, that is custodian. It is the act it is act as a custodian of forex. Forex it is administers and enforces the provision of foreign exchange management. Foreign exchange management in 1999 RBI buy the sells foreign currency to maintaining the exchanging rate of India rupee was foreign currency. The RBI is controlled by foreign exchange import and export. The RBI is some sell and buy and sell foreign currency to maintaining the exchanging rate. RBI maintaining the exchanging rate in foreign exchange management in 1999. RBI buy and selling in foreign currency. Next one, regulator of economy. It is control the monetary supply in the system of monitor different keys indicator like GDP and inflation. GDP means gross domestic product and inflation etc. Regulator the economy, the control the money supply. A control in money supply and monitor the different key of indicator like GDP, inflation. Money supply is controlled means some person want 5 lakh rupees means that person is bank providing loans. Bank provide loan means automatically that person invest in 5 lakh rupees. Automatically product capital increase, production increase, automatically money supply increase and controlled inflation by RBI. Next one, managing government securities. RBI administers investment in the institution when they invest specified minimum proportions of the total assets and liability in government. The RBI is a invest specific minimum proportion the total asset and liability in government security. RBI controlled by credit. Tasks controlled by credit and debit asset or liabilities controlled government securities. Next one, regulator and supervisor of payment and settlement system. 11th one, what? Regulator and supervisor payment and settlement system. The Payment and Settlement System Act of 2007 RBI oversight authority for the payment and settlement system in the country. RBI focus on development and functions of safe, secure and efficient payment and settlement mechanism. That mechanism means trade, business, commerce. That word is mechanism. The regulator and supervisor payment and settlement system. RBI focus on development and functioning, safe, secure, safe and RBI's main function is safe and secure. Next one, development role. This role including the development of quantity banking system in India and ensuring the credit is available to the productivity sectors of the economy. If provided the wide ranges promotional functions to support a national objectives, it also includes establishing institution designed by built the country, the financial infrastructure. It also helps the expanding access to affordable financial services and promoting a financial education and literacy. government development role. RBI in so many development schemes and some government infrastructure facilities, providing some loans and promotional functions supporting national objectives. The financial infrastructure also helped and expanding access. So many infrastructure, basic infrastructure facilities means one education, electricity, transport, road, water, some facilities provided in RBI. Publisher of monetary data and other data. RBI maintenance and provided all essential banks and other economic data, formulating and critically evaluation the economic policies in India. RBI collects collectorates of published data regularly. RBI in released in so many data in each and every sector, unemployment sector, poverty sector, each and every year income sector, income and poverty sector and below poverty line. This is a accuracy correct information released only in RBI. Next one, RBI Exchange and Controller. RBI represent India as a member of International Monetary Fund. International means IMF. IMF means International Monetary Fund. Most of the commercial banks are authorized dealers of RBI. Authorized dealer by dealer. Authorized dealers is who? RBI. Okay, student. This one important question is central bank. So many important central bank. So many important functions of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, student. Next class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, students. Do not waste your time. Each and every day you read every day you one lesson or half of lesson you every day you thorough means board exam surely you get centum only. Okay student, thank you students.